Hyundai Palisade. I think it's 2020 Hyundai Palisade. It just came out this year. It's huge. It's a 3-row SUV seater, and as you can see, it's a pretty big vehicle. There it is. There it is. I'll just walk around. Today is July the 27th, 2019, and that's a vehicle right there. It's a Palisade. I'm at Buerkle Hyundai in White Bear. My car is being serviced, oil change, and I have a slow tire, slow punch. But that's a Palisade right there. I've seen reviews on YouTube, but I haven't seen the vehicle itself in person. These are functional right there. Well, I'm not a car review guy, but just wanted to take a short video about this vehicle, and I don't have any more information. Oh, the price is, I don't know if you can see that, $39,875. Alright, okay, peace people, that's a Palisade.